U.S. tariffs on China to be lowered, and Jerome Powell warns markets that another rate cut this year is not guaranteed. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasi. The meeting between President Donald Trump and his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping yielded favorable outcomes. Trump said U.S. tariffs on China would be lowered to 47% from 57%, and that he would be going to the country in April, and Xi would come to the U.S. at some stage after that. That's according to comments carried by Reuters. Speaking aboard Air Force One, the U.S. president reportedly said that it was a one-year agreement that would be extended, and he added that the rare earths issue had been settled and there would be no more roadblocks. As of this morning, Bitcoin is trading below $108,000. Utility or privacy? The transparency of traditional blockchains forces a difficult choice. Break free from this limitation with Midnight. Just like the internet made information global, stablecoins are making money global, and Bridge, a Stripe company, is powering that shift. Looking for a faster, cheaper way to move money worldwide? Owlting, listed on the NASDAQ as Owls, is building the rails for stablecoin payments. Turning over to the Federal Reserve now, the central bank has cut its benchmark rate by 25 basis points as expected. The surprise, however, came from Chair Jerome Powell's press conference. Powell struck an unexpectedly hawkish tone, warning that a rate cut in December is far from a foregone conclusion. The comment reset market expectations as traders had priced in a 90% chance of another rate cut at the Fed's final meeting this year. According to the CME FedWatch tool, the odds have now fallen to 70%. And MasterCard is in late-stage talks to acquire blockchain startup Zero Hash as competition in the stablecoin space heats up. According to a Fortune report, the deal could be valued at $1.5 to $2 billion. The report added that MasterCard may be losing a bidding war for another crypto payments firm, BVNK, to its rival Coinbase. The move signals a major push by payments giants into stablecoins, which offer a cheaper and faster alternative to traditional banking rails. A report this past summer from KeyRock and Bitso projected stablecoin payment volume could reach $1 trillion by 2030, driven by institutional adoption. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on coindesk.com, and we'll see you next time. Break the cycle of exploitation, break down the barriers to truth, break into the next generation of privacy, break free. Free to scroll without being monetized, free from censorship, freedom without fear. We deserve more when it comes to privacy. Experience the next generation of blockchain that is private and inclusive by design. Break free with Midnight. Visit midnight.network/break-free. Built for speed, scale, and simplicity, Bridge helps businesses send, store, accept, and launch stablecoins instantly. Serve global customers without navigating the complexities of setting up crypto rails. It's how companies like X, Shopify, and AirTM unlock new markets, reduce FX costs, and move money at internet speed. Looking for a faster, cheaper way to move money worldwide? Owlting, now listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol Owls, is building the rails for stablecoin payments. Convert fiat to stablecoins and send money as easily as a text message. Learn more at owlting.com.